Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete Google Tag Manager code in Shopify. Let's get started. So as of right now, I'm in the Tag Manager and this is my container for Shopify right here. So this container right here will provide me with the code. So I already set it up right here. So if I want to remove this particular container to my Shopify, what I can do is I can actually head over to my Shopify right here. Click on these three dots. Then from in here, click on Edit Code. Now, once I have clicked on this edit code, I should be able to see this theme.liquid right here. So if you can't find out, you can actually just search in here for the particular file. Now, what you can do is you can actually just head over and then click on this Control F. Then in here, just search in here for Google. And then click on Next. And then it will show you the actual thing that you have on your Google. So as you can see right here, I had this Google Tag Manager code just below the head code right here. So let me just click on this right here. I will select all of them. Then I'll delete it from my code. After that, click on the Save button. And then once you have saved that, it's already done. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.